Hi guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I greet you all according to your time. My name is Confidence. I am a YouTuber based here in Abuja, Nigeria. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. And for my old subscribers, you guys are really wonderful. You guys are amazing. I appreciate you all. I celebrate you all. You guys have been doing amazing work on my channel, so I thank you guys. I really can't thank you guys enough. Please, in today's video I'm actually going to show you a remedy on how to stay healthy, how to stay strong for your woman, how to be a superman that you are, and how to make her not to leave you, how to make your girl not to leave you or think of any other man outside. Okay, so in this remedy you are actually going to see how it goes. Okay, so here is, I'm going to use banana for this remedy and fresh tomato together with liquid milk. You can see how it looks like. Then another one is my honey. You can see how it looks like. So right now we're actually going to peel off this banana. We're actually going to peel it off. I've washed it before peeling it. Okay guys, so are you a man? If your wife is complaining that you're not meeting up to her targets, this is what you need to do at home, okay, to make her happy. You have to make this fruit drink at home. Make sure you do it every morning. Okay, so here again is our fresh tomato. Let me use this big one. This fresh tomato will make you strong and healthy. It will make you look fresh. It will make you look like if you are 35 years old. It will make you look like sweet 16. You will look younger than your age. So you really need fresh tomato at home. Okay, you really need it at home. So this one, I think this one is okay for now. I'm actually going to use my one tomato for it. So here we are going to actually blend it together. Okay, so here is my blender. Here can you guys see it? Here is the blender. So this is it. We are actually going to put the banana and the fresh tomato inside. Okay, this is how it looks like. So I'm going ahead to add my liquid milk. You can see it. You guys can see it, but so let's blend it. Okay guys, so that's it. We're actually going to open it to see how far. So guys, I'm done blending. So we are going to put it inside the glass cup. So guys, this is it. This is the drink. So we are actually going to add the honey inside. Okay, so you are going to make use of your spoon. 2 tablespoons is okay, or 1. Ouch. Two tablespoons is okay, or 1. You can make use of 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. So I'm actually going to turn it right now. You can see how it looks like. It's very yummy, honestly. So this is what you are going to be doing for your husband. This is what you are going to introduce your husband to be doing at home. Okay, every morning before he eats anything, you make sure you make this fruit juice for him. Okay, for him to stay strong, for him to be strong, for him to meet up to your target, for him to look fresh, look younger than his age. Okay, for him to also live longer. Okay, this is a fruit and a fresh fruit juice drink. Okay, so when you are doing it, you in fact, you have to just talk to your husband about it. If he's not meeting up to your own target, you talk to your husband about it. And for the fact, for a man, you watching this video, please make sure you do take this drink every morning before you eat anything. Okay, it will help you, and it will energize you. It will make your relationship to last longer. It will make your wife to enjoy you more. Okay, you will never be a 2 seconds man again after this drink. Rather, you will last like 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours. Okay, with your wife. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you. This is it. Thank you, and make sure you do this remedy. Okay, I love you guys. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please consider subscribing. And if you have not liked this video yet, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Okay, I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.